In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to BNB Smart Chain in Coinbase Wallet. If you need to use apps or assets on the BNB chain network, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your Coinbase wallet is set to the correct network. This is a quick process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device, or open the wallet extension if you're using it in your browser. Make sure you're fully inside your wallet interface before moving on, since the network settings are managed directly from there. Once the wallet is open, go to Settings and look for the Network section. In some versions of Coinbase Wallet, you may also be able to tap the network icon in the top corner instead. Both options are meant to take you to the same place, so use whichever one appears on your screen. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal, since app and extension designs can vary a little depending on the version you're using. After that, you'll see a list of available networks. From this list, select BNB Smart Chain, which is often abbreviated as BSC. Choosing the correct network is important because it determines which blockchain your wallet is currently viewing and interacting with. If you stay on the wrong network, certain tokens, balances, or decentralized apps may not display as expected. If Coinbase Wallet asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve the switch to BSC. This confirmation step simply makes BNB Smart Chain your active network so you can view assets and interact with supported dApps on BNB chain. Once the switch is complete, your wallet will update to reflect that network. At that point, you should be ready to continue using the wallet on BNB Smart Chain. If something doesn't appear right away, give the app a moment to refresh or reopen the relevant page. That can help if balances or connected apps take a second to update after the network change. And that's it. By opening Coinbase Wallet, going into Settings or the network icon, selecting BNB Smart Chain, and confirming the switch if prompted, you can quickly move your wallet over to BSC and start interacting with the BNB chain ecosystem.